Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we'll explore the imperative forms of Hebrew verbs. These forms are crucial for giving instructions, commands, and requests in Hebrew. We will cover both the formal imperative forms and the more commonly used forms in modern Hebrew. Since both of them are used nowadays, it's important to understand and recognize them. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use commands like drink, give, and take in Hebrew. So, without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with a quick explanation of the two forms we'll be discussing. First, we have the formal imperative forms, which is the classic way to give a command. The second form, which is very commonly used nowadays, is the future tense form. Both forms are acceptable and understood in modern Hebrew, so whether you use one or the other, you'll be understood. The Hebrew word for the verb to drink is lishtot. Lishtot. To say drink when referring to a singular male, say shte. Shte. For example, to say drink your juice when referring to a singular male, say shte et hamitz shelcha. Shte, drink, singular male, et hamitz, the juice, shelcha, of yours, singular male. The second form, which is very common, is tishte. Tishte, which means you will drink when referring to a singular male. For example, to say drink a lot of water, you would say tishte harbe mayim. Tishte, you will drink, singular male, harbe, a lot, mayim, water. To say drink when speaking to a singular female, say shti. Shti. For example, to say drink the tea, say shti et hate. Shti, drink, singular female, et hate, the tea. The second and common form is tishti. Tishti, which means you will drink when speaking to a singular female. For example, to say drink fresh orange juice, you would say tishti mitz tapuzim tari. Tishti, you will drink, singular female, mitz, juice, tapuzim, oranges, tari, fresh, singular male. To say drink when referring to more than one person, say shtu. Shtu. For example, to say drink green tea in the morning when referring to more than one person, say shtu te yarok baboker. Shtu, drink, plural, te, tea, yarok, green, singular male, baboker, in the morning. The second form is tishtu. Tishtu, which means you will drink when speaking to more than one person. For example, to say drink water after the workout, say tishtu mayim acharei ha'imun. Tishtu, you will drink, plural, mayim, water, acharei, after, ha'imun, the workout. Our next verb is to take. לקחת. לקחת. To say take when referring to a singular male, say קח. קח. For example, to say take the key from the table, when speaking to a singular male, say קח את המפתח מהשולחן. קח, take, singular male, את המפתח, the key, מהשולחן, from the table. The second and very common form is תיקח. תיקח, which means you will take when speaking to a singular male. For example, to say take the dog for a walk, when speaking to a singular male, say תיקח את הכלב לטיול. תיקח, you will take, singular male, את הכלב, the dog, לטיול, for a walk. To say take, when referring to a singular female, say קחי. קחי. For example, to say it's raining, take an umbrella, when speaking to a singular female. Say יורד גשם, קחי מטריה. יורד, going down, singular male. גשם, rain. קחי, take, singular female. מטריה, an umbrella. The second form is תיקחי. תיקחי, which means you will take when speaking to a singular female. For example, to say take your time when speaking to a singular female, say תיקחי את הזמן שלך. תיקחי, you will take, singular female, את הזמן, the time, שלך, of yours, singular female. To say take when speaking to more than one person, say קחו. קחו. For example, to say take the bags to the room, say קחו את התיקים לחדר. קחו, take, plural, את התיקים, the bags, לחדר, to the room. The second form is תיקחו. תיקחו, which means you will take when speaking to more than one person. For example, to say take the books with you, say תיקחו את הספרים איתכם. תיקחו, you will take, plural, את הספרים, the books, איתכם, with you, plural. Our last verb for today will be לתת, which means to give or to let. לתת. To say give or let when speaking to a singular male, say תן. תן. For example, to say give him another chance when speaking to a singular male, say תן לו הזדמנות נוספת. תן, give, singular male, לו, to him, הזדמנות, a chance, נוספת, another, singular female. The second form is תיתן. תיתן, which means you will give when speaking to a singular male. For example, to say, give me a moment to think about it, say, תיתן לי רגע לחשוב על זה. תיתן, you will give, singular male, לי, to me, רגע, a moment, לחשוב, to think, על, about, זה, this. To say, give or let when speaking to a singular female, say, תני, תני. For example, to say, give him the money later when speaking to a singular female, say, תני לו את הכסף אחר כך. תני, give, singular female, לו, to him, את הכסף, the money, אחר כך, later. The second form is תתני, תתני, which means you will give or you will let when speaking to a singular female. For example, to say, give me an answer by tomorrow when speaking to a singular female, say, תתני לי תשובה עד מחר. תתני, you will give, singular female, לי, to me, תשובה, an answer, עד, until, מחר, tomorrow. To say, give or let when speaking to more than one person, say, תנו, תנו. For example, to say, give them time when speaking to more than one person, say, תנו להם זמן. תנו, give, plural, להם, to them, זמן, time. The second form is תיתנו, תיתנו, which means you will give or you will let. For example, to say, let me speak to him when speaking to more than one person, say, תיתנו לי לדבר איתו. תיתנו, you will let, לי, to me, לדבר, to speak, איתו, with him. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.